Hey guys, today I'll show you the best way to delete your Roblox account using this new method. Kindly watch carefully so you don't miss any step. If you want to temporarily delete your account, then use the first button, but to permanently delete your Roblox account, kindly use the Initiate button. As you can see, our Roblox account has been deleted and no one will be able to find our username anymore. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.